All right, so now I want to look at the second question in this work on frequency tables. And this one's going to be really important because what it's going to talk about is relative frequency, and it's going to also address some ideas of um, percentages. So what we're looking at here is the following frequency table contains the number of deaths worldwide as a result of earthquakes from 2000 to 2012. Okay, and so again, we've seen this one here instead of our earlier video. Here are the years, and this is the frequency for each one of those years. Now, the question here is, what is the percentage of deaths that occurred in 2004? Then round your answer to the nearest tenth of a percent. Now, I have to say that this is actually a really important fact. The fact this tenth of a percent, that ends up being really important, okay? And the reason why is because it's a computer and it gets a little finicky. So we're going to do this and then write it to the tenth of a percent, right? So what I'm going to do now is I got 2004. So what I want to get is we're going to find a relative frequency and then convert it to a percentage. So if you remember, the relative frequency is going to equal the frequency divided by the total number of elements, okay, in the data set. So in that case, for this relative frequency, 2004, okay, is going to be 802, divided by the total number here is 823,346, okay? And so this, okay, will equal 0.2779, okay? As a percentage, that's going to be 27, and then what you'll notice is that 0.79, I'm going to round up, I'm going to take the 9, I'm going to round up, make this 27.8, or 27.8%, right? So make sure that you do the appropriate rounding, right? Okay, you're going to look 1 to the right of whatever percentage that you're looking for, okay? In this case, the tenth of a percent, and you'll round up or round down. And also make sure in this case, right, what I'm going to end up inputting here is this value, 27.8, right? Not 0.278, but 27.8. All right, cool. There we go. That concludes that video.